Hello and happy weekend, everybody. Tiffany with Team Red again. I'm out at our second listing coming on the market this weekend. I'm at 9411 161st Street, Port East in Puyallup. It is another beautiful two-story home on a corner lot. I'm going to turn the camera around here so you can see some more. Okay, so here's the front of the home. There's that beautiful corner lot. The entire lot sits on about a quarter acre. I am in the Mountain Park community in Puyallup. We're close by a jog run. This home is a little over 1,500 square feet with 3-bed, 2.5 bath, and a 2-car garage. Let's go show you inside. Okay, so first of all, I just have to show you guys. I'm not kidding when I say this is a huge corner lot. Beautifully landscaped. You've got your own little walking path here. Again, this sits on about a quarter acre. And don't worry, it's not all in the front. The backyard is great too. But I just had to show you guys. Let's go on inside. So coming in from the front door, you have your little entryway. Off to the left, you can kind of get a peek at your first downstairs bathroom and your dining room. Off to the right here is your open space living room with a beautiful fireplace. Another dining room setup. Powder bath bathroom. Around the corner is your second living room, family room setup. That leads out to the garage. We'll get there in a little bit. This home, I just have to show you, has so many skylights and they've all been updated. The windows have been updated as well. Of the backyard. Here's our kitchen. All the appliances are stain. Here's more of a little formal dining room setup. Bringing us out to our living room again. Okay, so here is that large 2-car garage. Built-in storage as well, and off to the left-hand side here is your hookup for your washer and dryer, and there is your water heater. I'm going to take you guys upstairs now. Okay, I am now upstairs. Off to the right is going to be our first bedroom. And right across the hall from that is your upstairs bathroom. By the way, more skylights. Just love the natural light that they bring. And next door to the first bedroom is our master. Good size in here too. As you can see, there's an armoire, there's a chair, large bed, beautiful view to your backyard. Bathroom with, you guessed it, another skylight. And then coming out of the master, right around the corner, is our third bedroom with another large window with a beautiful view to your backyard. Since I've been talking about it so much, let's go take you guys to see that backyard. Okay guys, here's the backyard. What did I tell you? Got a cute little pathway there. Again, this sits on a quarter acre. Just gonna kind of walk you around so you can really get a view kind of feel for how large this lot really is. Here's your little patio setup on the side of the house. I will note that the house also has a new roof and new gutters as well. Okay, so there you have it. Again, I'm out at 9411 161st Street, Court East in Puyallup. Things are still by appointment only, so if you would like me to set an appointment for you to come see this beautiful home, or you have any questions about it, contact me at the number below, 253-797-9008. Everybody have a great weekend. Bye.